Alright, what's going on, guys? So the Tesla is finished. It's been wrapped in Vivid's white diamond or white metallic. Let's have a look at it. It's really not obviously a huge change, but it does create paint protection because this film is so thick, and it just freshens up the entire exterior in general. So you can see right here, I've done an inlay. So what I did is I did an inlay. There's actually, this bumper's been repainted, so there's a lot of paint runs underneath here. So what I've done is done an inlay in this section first, coming around here up to about that corner, and then I came down with the piece down here and wrapped it around on the inside here. So that is one piece, and then there's one more piece underneath here, and then the rest, and then exactly the same on the other side as far as that fog light area goes, and then the rest of it is all one piece. I'm sorry I didn't have time to do a video on it, so just been swamped with work. But let's have a walk around. Mirrors, two pieces, so you can see we have an inlay on the inside, and then we overlap with the piece on the outside. All in all, the color is pretty nice. It's got a nice little flake to it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Not so much, huh? It's kind of hard to tell. So it does have a flake to it. The trunk I did a video on. Luckily you guys at least got that. Rebadged it, slapped this spoiler back on, and that's it. So it was challenging to wrap this vehicle just because, especially the front bumper, actually it took me like, I don't know, 3 hours, 2.5, 3 hours with the inlays. Simply because of how complex it gets down here. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoy what this looks like. It doesn't look any different, but the film being so thick, it does add quite a bit of paint protection on this car, and it just, like I said, refreshes the entire exterior. I think it looks great. Something a little bit different than an OEM paint, but still gives it an OEM appearance. Anyways, guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Take care. I've got Will Motivation's Hellcat. He's just rolling up right now. He's outside, so we're going to go over there and go see him. He brought the Lambo, and now he's back with the Hellcat. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Take care.